Welcome to WandX. In this tutorial, we will provide a walkthrough of our decentralized exchange. To access the WandX platform, we must first download and install MetaMask. In the browser, type metamask.io to arrive at the MetaMask homepage. Select Get Chrome extension. This will direct you to a page in the Google Store where you will have the option to install the MetaMask extension to your Chrome browser. When installing MetaMask, you will be asked to generate a password for the account and have a 12-word key provided. Make sure to save your key and password in a safe place in case you need to access your MetaMask from a different computer. With MetaMask installed, you can now access the WandX Beta. Scroll down and select View our Beta. Here you will select Enter WandX. You will now arrive on the Token Exchange tab of the WandX Exchange. To begin trading, you must first go to the Funds tab and deposit ETH from your MetaMask balance. This action deposits your Ethereum into a smart contract which acts as an escrow for the exchange. Enabling utilization of the WAND token for trading fees will result in a 75% reduction of the exchange fee. You can click the Token Baskets tab to view available ERC token baskets. This feature is unique to our platform, allowing users to bundle and exchange baskets of various ERC20 tokens. Within this tab, users can purchase other user-generated token baskets, view token baskets they hold, create their own token baskets, view their order history, and view an extension of their MetaMask or WandX wallet. To purchase and sell ERC20 baskets, you must first deposit Ethereum in the wallet page. This action will convert your Ethereum to WXETH, which is an ERC20 token equivalent of Ether. WXETH is used to buy and sell token baskets and always holds a one-to-one value with Ethereum. To build your basket, all tokens must first be authorized in this wallet tab. The Overview tab serves as an overview of the market and your token balances. Here you can view the charts for all ERC20 assets and toggle between line and candle graphs. In the Overview tab, scroll down to view your ERC20 token balances. View token volume on the platform. View your active buy and sell orders. And view your portfolio report.